Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Father Augusto Jesus Angeles or Tote Angeles na kasalukuyang kura paroko ng St. Lucie Parish at Diocesan Shrine of the Black Nazarene of Capalonga, Camarines Norte. No? Ikatlong parokya ko na po ito at sa ikalawang parokya ko ay napakalaking tulong ang natanggap ko mula sa LCSC team. At sa pamamagitan nito ay napakaraming naming nadalang mga kabataan sa ating Panginoon. And looking back, I can say that my parish was truly blessed when I met Live Christ, Share Christ team. Nagsimula ang lahat with Bishop Garcira, who was our bishop that time. He introduced me to the team and we had meeting for several times until we were able to bring the LCST team in the Diocese of Daet. Nagkataon nga lang that time, Archbishop was leaving already to become the Archbishop of Lipa. So, nagkaroon na rin ng training sa Daet sa mga leaders. Pero kami dito noon sa Vinsons, we took seriously the Live Christ, Share Christ, especially the Live Pure movement. No? At the rest was history already. No? Sa pamamagitan ng Live Pure sa Vinsons, nakapagbuo kami ng core group na naging instrumento para almost 5,000 to 6,000 students yearly ang nabibigyan namin ng Live Pure. I can attest to the fact that this is a very powerful, very effective means of bringing the young people to Christ. So, sa Vinsons, simulang grade 9, 10, 11, 12, ay nabibigyan namin ng Live Pure, and I wish na ma-continue din yun. No? So with that very, very nice experience at with given this new environment, new situation here in Capalonga, naghanap din talaga ako ng paraan kung paano gagawin yung evangelization program sa parish. So, kasi it has been said again and again that the priority of the church now is integral renewed evangelization. But as to how we can do it, talagang nangangapa tayong mga pastor. So, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon sapagkat sa pamamagitan nitong Live Christ, Share Christ through their 5 Pillars program, ay nagkakaroon tayo ng konkretong paraan kung paano mag-i-evangelize sa ating parokya. So, with my experience, having experienced this, I would like to invite also my dear brother priest to partner with LCSC program kasi napakaganda po, napaka-effective nitong programang ito, not only in reaching out to the lost, to the last, and to the least, but also in training all our leaders, our lay leaders, and also in sustaining our evangelization program. So, my brother priest, I have experienced it myself, and I hope that you will try this because, as I said, this is a very effective, very efficient program for renewed integral evangelization.